Problem number 5, chapter 4 test. I have to divide and write my answer in standard form. So I have an I in my denominator. Can't have it that way. It has to be standard form. So I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal, not by the reciprocal, by the conjugate. 3 minus 2i, 3 minus 2i, so I'm really multiplying this by 1. And when I do this multiplication, just like it was a distributive property, I have 21 minus 14i, and then my bottom, I can FOIL it out. I'll do that right down here. I'll FOIL it out. So if I go 3 plus 2i, 3 minus 2i, I get 9 plus 6i minus 6i minus 4i squared. Plus and minus 6i goes away. I get 9 minus 4i squared. And since I squared is equal to negative 1, it's 9 minus 4 times negative 1, which is equal to 9 plus 4, which is equal to 13. So I know that my denominator is going to be 13. But the other way that I could do that is when I'm multiplying a complex number by its conjugate, it's the same thing as a squared plus b squared. The complex number is written 3. Complex numbers are written a plus bi. In this case, our a is 3, our b is 2, and then we have I. So if I go a squared plus b squared, that's 9, 3 squared. 2 squared is 4, 9 plus 4 is 13. So to this point right here, now I need to write it in standard form, which means I have to separate my real part from my imaginary part. So I have 21 over 13 minus 14i over 13. And that's the answer.